All right, this was a major pain in the butt, but I did get this one working. Let me get something else. Here. Okay. This is where I gotta get stuff out of here. I gotta get projects done. I gotta get things done. Okay. Boy, there's just too much stuff. I've got a bunch of stuff I gotta get done. Okay. The sound you're going to get out of this thing. Let's see. Let me try a Strat and see what kind of sound we get out of a Strat. It should be really good for a clean sound. Let's see. I'll grab my Starcaster, which has all Fender stuff on it for the most part. Fender bridge. It's got a good clean sound, that's about it. Like 3-chord punk rock on it. Alright, that's enough of my bad playing, guys. So, as you can see, it works. Thank you guys for watching.